What is going on YouTube? So many of you have been asking for an update, so I thought I'd finally make one. This is going to show you a brand new 2K26 VC glitch, and this is going to get you 450,000 VC for completely free. This actually uses a locker code, and the reason I call this an NBA 2K26 VC glitch is because this locker code is not supposed to give you this much VC, but it does. So before I show you this glitch, make sure you do like this video and go ahead and subscribe. I am always creating more tutorials and you're definitely not going to want to miss any updates. So let's get into the tutorial and show you this NBA 2K26 VC glitch that's going to supply you with 450,000 VC straight into your account. So you're going to want to use your mobile phone internet browser. I'm using an iPhone. This is just a spare one I use. You can do this on Android as well. You just need an internet connection. So you're going to want to go to www.coldcoupons.com. And guys, this does work on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Steam, all of the platforms. You just need to use a mobile to get your locker code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in wherever you play. So once you reach this website, use the search bar and search for NBA 2K26. This is the locker codes page here, guys. Now, there is actually a VC code on here. So what you're going to want to do is just scroll down this page and look for the 450,000 VC code. So this is a VC glitch in 2K26. So this code is going to basically give you a glitched amount of VC, which is 450,000. I think that's about $100 US. So this is absolutely awesome considering it takes a few minutes. So you do need to reveal your code here. I did this earlier and it's pretty simple. Just click on get full code, and it's going to bring you to a new screen. This tells you how to get your VC code. You need to complete 2 of the free offers below, and that is going to unlock your code. So as you can see on this page, you're going to have a list of completely free tasks. And these are basically things like install and opening applications, answering surveys, playing mobile games. There is description that tells you exactly how to complete each one. So just complete 2 of them. It's going to take you about 5 minutes, guys. Once you do that, it will send you back to this page and your VC code will be revealed, and you redeem it in game, and that is going to get you 450,000 VC. You can only do this once, guys. So once you have your code, keep it for yourself, keep it safe and use it. So this is the best and quickest VC glitch in 2K26. And yeah, you just got to go to Cold Coupons and just find this page here, guys. So you use the search bar, search for 2K26 NBA and look for the VC code. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.